Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to take full-length screenshots of your websites using GoFullPage. I'm also going to show you how you can add text to these images and add other effects. All of this can be done completely free, so sit back, relax, hit that like and subscribe button and let's get into the video. Okay guys, to get things started, go over to Google and type in Google extensions. Go into the Chrome Web Store and in the search bar type in GoFullPage. Push enter and click on the first one, which is GoFullPage full page screen capture. Then click on the Add to Chrome button and allow the extension. This will install GoFullPage onto your Chrome browser. Now that's installed, go over to the website that you want to take a screen capture of. In the top right hand side of your Google browser, you'll see that there's a jigsaw piece. Click on that and it will bring up the extensions installed on Chrome. Click on full page and it will start the process of taking a screenshot of your entire website. Once it's done, it will display the full length image of your website. To save the image, all you need to do is click on the download icon in the top right hand side and allow permissions. That image will then download onto your computer. Once it's been downloaded, it's ready to use. If you want to add text and effects to your image, click on the edit button at the top of your screen. Once you're on the image page, you can start adding effects to your image. Click on shapes and it will bring up a list of all the things you can add to your image. As you can see, you can add rectangles, ovals, lines, arrows, text, blurs and stickers. Once you've decided on which one you want to add, all you need to do is click on it. Then you're free to reposition and resize that item. You can also change its colour on the right hand side. Multiple items can be added to the image and you can reposition them and resize them as you need to. To download these images, you will need to have signed up to GoFullPage. If you do sign up for GoFullPage, you can also crop your images. To do this, all you need to do is click on Formatting in the top of the screen. Then you'll be able to select and crop a specific area of your image. You can also add a border and an address bar to that section of image. Both can be found in the Formatting drop-down menu. Other things you can do within GoFullPage is check which sites you've taken full screen captures of. To do that, all you need to do is click on the Files button. If you have found this video useful, please do hit that like and subscribe button, and if you've got any questions, come and hit me up in the comments box below. That's it for this video, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.